I have this Lionel post-war 193 flashing water tower, and I realized that the light, you could barely see the flashing light. So what I did was I enhanced the light by adding an LED bulb. So now not only do I have the incandescent bulb, but also added the LED bulb. I tried just using the LED bulb, but there was not enough resistance to heat up the contact to make it separate and flash. So I had to put the original bulb back as well. So now I have both bulbs going, and it seems to have done the trick. As you can see when I pull this light out, much brighter.